looking very fine today. See your fine hair.
Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
But I don't have cola.
Who still takes cola these days, eh? Who? How is your father?
My father is fine.
Okay. I've been meaning to ask you, girls. Have any of you heard from Princess Adugo ever since then?
Yes, I called her. She said she's going to call on us if anything comes up.
In that case, I suggest we let her be. We don't need to act like desperados, you know?
If he's right though, it's not a do or die affair. If she calls us, we honor her invitation. And if she doesn't, then it wasn't meant to be.
Shut up, oh. If he is right, see, let me tell you. If you ask me, I think we should take the bull by the horn. Yes, we should.
And what do you mean by that?
Let's not pretend about it. Like we don't want the prince. When you do, you want him. You want him too. And me. I want him from head to toe. Everything in full package is what I want to. So I think we should fight for what we want. Before I know a million chaba on Madaya.
Are we going to force the prince on us? Answer now.
If you're waiting for the prince to come to your house, this is your house, to come and ask you to marry him, then you should have a rethink. Yes, you should. Let's move the fight for what we want. Let's do it.
Oh, please. I don't buy that idea at all. And I am not that cheap.
It's true that we want the prince, but we don't have to force ourselves on him.
I can see that both of you have the same ideologies. No problem, it's fine. But as for me, Ujunwa, Nwa Juleju, Okulo Okalia, Abala Wani, Nwa de Kanne. Are you seeing me? Look, can you see me? I am fighting for what I want, and both of you cannot stop me. I'm out.
Hey.
Me too.
Let me go and cook for my father before he returns back. Ujunwa, Nwa Juleju, Okulo Oka, Nekwafa, see them. If you like, carry yourself and give to the prince. Nonsense.
Ebube! Papa. Please come. Smile a little. Smile a little.
Okay now, Papa. I'm smiling.
I have a surprise for you. Just look at that side.
Papa, where?
Hey, boo.
Yes, Papa.
Papa! Yeah. Your musical instrument is back.
Hey! Papa! Papa, my oboe is back.
Of course.
Hey! Papa! Papa, wait. Papa, this is my oboe.
The same oboe.
Where did you find it?
My dear, there's no need to ask where I found it.
Papa, please just tell me now. Where did you find my oboe? Oh my God, I missed you.
You know I promised you, that anything that will make you happy, I will do it.
Papa, you did though. Hey! Papa, hi, I'm so happy. Papa, thank you very much. Thank you. Hey!
Ebungwam.
Yes, Papa.
Bolomobo. Bolomobo.
Ngwan.
Bolomobo. Ebungwamo.
Papa.
My queen. Hey. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Wanyo Bioma. Hey, thank you. Wanyoma. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Definitely. I will. I will. Hey! Nay. There is good news.
What did she say?
What is it? The queen called me to inform me that she have discussed with her son Jamike about the matter. He has agreed that Dima here, she come to the palace.
Mama is there. Wait, Mama, are you joking? Mama, you're joking.
That's great news.
Mama, I am super excited. Listen, Mama, this good news will put those that mocked me to shame. So when I get to the palace, I will twerk like
Oh yeah, my baby.
They will hear from me. They will hear from me.
Mama, no, Diana.
Mama, give me one.
You see, the queen said you should behave yourself this time around. Comport yourself, nya. Chikono to nwegi. Makisa chikono to nwegi. Chikono to nwegi. Ina
Did you hear what she said?
Yes, Papa.
Amend their ways. Do not give Prince Jamike opportunity to see fault in your attitude again.
Yes, Papa.
Did you understand what I said?
Papa, I heard all that you people said.
I know me
of
kwele you got her?
Papa, enough of the advice.
Because if she misbehave this time around, more, I will not go to bed. Major Kweyo, I will not go to plead with anybody. A
word is enough for a wise.
Papa, your daughter is a wise girl. Don't stress yourself. This calls for celebration. Like I am happy. I'm excited. You know, I said I will go back to the palace, and when I get there, I'll to move to palace.
Someone.
That's my daughter.
Mama,
I'm happy for you.
I want to go in there, pack my stuff.
Yeah?
Because from tomorrow, I will be supping with
Go. This is like we've won the jackpot.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your efforts. Thank you very much.
What would I have done? She's our only daughter. Anything that will make her happy, that I'm gonna do. Like I say as well in America, that I'm gonna do.
You try, ever since she returned from that palace, she has not been happy. But today, I know she'll be okay. She'll be fine. And for this singular art, I'm going to prepare your food till you go Poloko Rantua.
Segige,
did she get the Obo back? This Ebube is mysterious. This is exactly the same Obo musical instrument that was buried. How did she get it back? I know what I will do to make her feel sad.
Huh? Yeah? Onuku, do you know you are very stupid? I am talking to you. You are very stupid.
Oluchi, what have I done?
You're asking me what you have done. You have done everything in this world. Everything wrong in this world. That is what you have done.
Oluchi.
Ebube.
I do not have time for your troubles, your name callings, and your insults. So please, just let me be.
Sheregodo, are you insinuating that I am troublesome? Ebube? So these your eyes, as big as they are, did not see properly to know that these clothes I asked you to wash, you didn't wash them properly. I just said let me go out now and I realized that you did not wash these clothes properly. So what happened?
Oluchi, if you look properly, you will see that the stains on your shirts are actually brand new stains from your makeup. Oluchi, I washed your clothes properly.
Shut up! Keep quiet! Hey! Idiot! So I can't see again now? I'm blind! I don't know how the clothes got stained.
Oluchi, Oluchi, you slapped me.
No, I conked you. That is exactly what I did. Of course I slapped you. What will you do? What would you do? The worst you will do is to wait for Papa to come back and you will report to him. Nothing else.
You're stupid.
I don't know what's wrong with you.
You slapped me. What is wrong with you? Where's your mate?
You slapped me.
No.
You slapped
me.
I conked you. Just wait for Mama to come back. Wait for Mama to come back. I swear I will report the Mama. I will report the Mama.
Chicken.
After Mama said we should not fight, you still went to slap me. Let Mama just come back first. I will report to Mama.
Come and slap. You think you can intimidate me? Look at her.
Wait.
No, don't go. Come, Oluchi. Come and slap me now. You don't want to slap again? No. Why are you running? Come and slap. Stupid girl. Baby chicken. Hey, look at her. No, come and slap me again.
Nemo si mo gaba
Ebube, when will you learn to shut your mouth up? Eh?
Mama, have I done anything wrong?
Ebube, must you disturb the entire village? The entire neighborhood? Even this house, we don't have peace. Must you disturb us with this you're singing? Eh?
Mama, I'm
Sorry
sorry.
for what? Sorry for what?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you don't like my song.
I don't like it.
I'm sorry if I disturb you with it. I only sing these songs to keep myself busy and to make myself happy.
Ezioku. Oh. So you are singing because you are idle. Eh? You are singing and disturbing us because you are idle.
No.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I have what will keep you busy. Don't worry, I'm coming, eh? Hey! Since you don't have what to do, wash them. That is clothes. You are idle, right? Wash them. Wash them as in the armpits or the pulpits. Just concentrate, oh. Wash them very well. When you finish washing, you re-wash them again. Just keep yourself busy. Eh?
Mama, these clothes have not been used since I last washed them. They are still very clean.
Shut up. Just shut your mouth. You are idle now. Shall we say you are idle? You are idle. That's why you are disturbing. I don't want you to disturb this village. I don't want to be disturbed. Did you hear me? Wash them very well. When you finish washing, you re-wash. Just keep re-washing. Re-washing. Just be washing. In fact, just be washing. Hey.
Stand.
Thank you very much. My prince. I know I've messed up, but I want to apologize to you for two things.
Which are?
I am sorry. I am sorry for behaving the way I did. I am sorry for disappointing you. I am sorry for the things that I did wrong. Believe me, I never meant them the way you understood them. I am genuinely sorry, my prince. Forgive my imperfections. I am begging you.
It's okay. It's fine. If I haven't forgiven you, the truth is, the guards won't let you in tomorrow being in my bedroom, so I think that is gone.
Thanks again.
It's alright, you're welcome. Stop crying.
Another thing. I know that I might not be good enough for you. Maybe I am not exactly as you wanted. Maybe I am not the kind of woman that you want. But please, I am begging you. I genuinely love you. And I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn and unlearn. Teach me. Please do teach me. I will learn. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's fine. Okay? Let's see how it goes. Gradually, hopefully, we will get there. Okay? Yeah, for now, let's take it easy. One step at a time. But I heard what you said, though. It's fine.
Thank you for your understanding. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Can I hug you?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
It's okay, it's fine.
Hey, Dima, the Nollywood's daughter, what's she doing in the palace? What is she doing in the palace? I heard the prince sent her packing because of her irrational behavior. What has she come to do?
Please, though. Please. I'm not in the position to answer that question.
Oh, please. Why won't you answer? I saw you the other day accompany her into the palace, isn't it? Yes, I saw you.
She only came here the other day and wanted us to recognize her as the future bride for the prince. But I told her that the decision is not ours to make.
What? You don't mean it. If Dima becomes the Prince Jamike's wife, this palace is going to be miserable for us. It's going to be unbearable for even you, even the king.
Did you say miserable? It will be more than that. Oh, you did not even hear that she slapped me the other day.
What?
And she almost slapped one of the guards. This girl is very wicked.
I don't like that girl. I don't like that over-pompous girl. I don't like that Ono's daughter. She's too troublesome. She's too problematic. And I'm not comfortable seeing her around here. I don't like her.
What is mine? The only thing is that I'm ready to obey anything in this palace just for peace to reign. I'm going back to my duty post.
Wait! Are you leaving me? Wait!
Okay, let's do one.
Wait, no!
Mama actually came to see you, Papa, but it seems Papa is not around.
I hope all is well.
Yes, ma'am. There's no big deal. Just it's for good. I actually came to tell you people my intention of getting married to your daughter, Oluchi.
That's a good news. In that case, I will tell my husband of your intention when he comes back. He's not around right now.
Okay.
You said you are coming back next tomorrow with your people?
Yeah, I'll come back. I'll come back to
That is okay.
do the proper things I'm supposed to do.
That is okay. Thank you very much, my son.
Thank you very much. I'm so grateful. I shall be on my way now.
It's okay.
Mama. By the time I'll come back next time, Mezi in Ghana, 2 wins.
Okogo!
Gotta go.
Ezigbogo!
Ango.
Ew!
Oh, Dogu.
Mama.
Thank you very much, eh? Hey.
Hope you enjoy the food. So please, which of the men prepared this delicious meal?
Well, no, Megan did. I especially prepared it for my Prince Charming.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did for you.
You're actually improving. That's nice.
That's nice.
Well, I won't lie, the food is nice, you know. It's nice, I like it.
Thank you. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. And you, my princess, hope you enjoyed the meal.
Yes, I think I did. Yes.
I'm glad you did.
Sorry, Mom, I have to go to my room. I'm feeling a bit weak. I guess I overfed myself, you know.
Really? You enjoyed my meal so much that you overfed yourself.
Chidama, please take him inside.
Of course, my queen.
Are you sure you're okay, bro?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just I'm feeling a bit dizzy and stuff, but
Just
I guess
dizzy?
I need rest. I'll be in my room.
Take him inside.
Please, why? I can't go.
Careful.
Don't worry. Easy, okay? You don't have to stress yourself. I'm here to help. Slowly. Easy. I hope. Slowly. Easy.
Mom, I'm fine. I'm not a kid.
Are you sure? Sure it's okay.
You did that's one, okay? That's the reason I came to see you.
Ebuka. Ebuka. Nyamiya.
Thank you, sir.
I'm happy. I'm happy to hear this. You are now ready to settle down. That is the prayer of every parent. That one day, his son will come to him and say, Father, I want to settle down. I want to be a man of my own. And that is the process you are going through now. It's okay, my son. There's no problem.
Thank you, Daddy.
Next tomorrow, I will accompany you to their house. We go and do the needful.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
And one more thing. You see, in this initial stage, there is no much to be done. But as time goes on, whatever that is remaining, I will let you know. So that I actually am not Hey!
Thank you, Daddy.
The bookers! They come here also.
Thank you, sir. Thank
I'm
you,
very happy. I'm happy.
You know, and we can get some way again. Cause no fair. Not join also.
Akuya. The bookers! It took a while. It had to go through me.
Thank you, Daddy.
Hey, I
shall be on my way now.
It's okay, my son. It's okay. No problem. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Eh?
Thank you very much, sir. I shall be on my way now.
Okay.
I have to run a long way.
Thank
you, sir.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings. Hope you know what to do.
Of course I do, my queen. My queen, I want to use this medium to say a big thank you to you for your support so far. It means a lot.
You don't have a problem. I want you to utilize this ample opportunity. Now that it's tipsy.
I will, my queen. I know what to do.
Good luck.
Thank you.
See you.
anything with you, I have to use protection.
What would you be needing that for? We're getting married, right?
Hey, that's what I want. I don't even want to do anything. Stop.
Come on, I know you don't want this.
Hey, stop. Stop. I say stop. Touch me again, I'm gonna slap you. You think I'm drunk? I'm not drunk.
Greetings. Dimma. How are you doing?
Not too well.
I mean, you understand what I mean. Why is your face like this? Step aside, please. Why is your face like this?
Nothing happened, my queen. That's why.
Even in the state of his drunkenness?
Yes. I did everything I could as a woman, my queen. But the prince is proving very stubborn.
Come. Don't worry. We will diverge to another means. Don't let his rejection or the stubbornness to pull you down. There must be another way out. Okay? You know I love you so much.
Thank you, my queen. I love you too.
Always be along with him. Okay?
Okay, my queen.
You can go now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want us to have a conversation, and I want to know if you have finally settled down with Dimma.
Why'd you ask?
Come on, big brother, have you forgotten that I said I want you to meet my friends? I mean, my beautiful friends. Yes?
Okay, book an appointment with them.
Oh, you're the best friend. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're the best. I'm going to be with you there. Oh, yes! I'm going already. Thank you. BRB, we'll be right back.
Oh my darling prince. What are you guys talking about? Hope there's no problem. Oh, were you talking about me?
It's nothing you should be worried about. Have you seen my mother?
Yes, I have.
Okay, I hope there's no problem.
Normal women discussion, so it's not something I should discuss with you.
I see.
So, my darling...
I have to go upstairs, please. I actually
But
came
I'm
down to have a
actually
conversation.
enjoying
Hey, stop. You really have to stop now. Please, excuse me.
Why don't you stay with me for a while?
Oh, no. I was busy upstairs. I just came to have a tete-a-tete with my sister.
I was actually enjoying your company.
Princess. Hey, our beautiful princess. Hello.
Come on, girls. No, I don't know. Whenever I say something, it sticks. Girls, come on. I promise you. I am going to make it happen.
I will trust you.
We'll trust you now.
We'll trust you.
You're my queen.
Oh, thank you. You girls look so exceptional.
You can
today.
say
So
that
beautiful.
again.
What is happening?
Thank you.
The prince needs to like us.
Oh, you're
I
so
know.
beautiful, my princess.
Thank you, darling.
Listen, all I want is for you to tell me the truth concerning those girls' visit here to see the prince. Remember, I will soon be the queen and all loyalists will be rewarded.
Hey, madam. Please do. I don't want to get myself into trouble.
How do I make you understand that whatever it is you say to me here will be considered a secret? See, whatever it is you're going to say to me now, it's just between you and I, except you want to tell someone else. So, tell me, what do you know?
Okay, ma, if you insist. Princess Adugo is arranging them to meet with the prince. She wants her brother to choose a bride from any of them.
Are you sure about this?
Yes. I am very sure, ma. I overheard them discussing about it.
Get out.
Ma'am?
Get out. Get out. Adugo, you are biting more than you can chew. And I will not let you. I, Dima, will not stand back and watch you take what is rightfully mine. Prince Jamike is mine. Take away what rightfully belongs to me and give it to those charlatans she referred to as her friends. That will be over my dead body. Never.
I thought you ordered for something.
Of course you did.
Yeah. So where is she?
Like,
It's okay. Just relax, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back. Let me see what's
Alright,
there.
alright.
She's just too beautiful.
You are here to see the prince.
Yes.
Am I right?
You're here to see the prince.
What for?
It's confidential. None of your business.
That's rude. That's by the way. So you are here to see the prince. And you think whatever it is you want to discuss with him is confidential. Well, I am here to tell you that that's not going to be happening. Prince Jamike is my husband.
And who are you in this palace to order us to leave?
I am going to show you the raw idiot who the hell I am.
Well, it's only the prince or Princess Adugo that can ask us to leave.
And if you lay your filthy hands on her again, I'll give it to you back.
You will give it to me.
Yes.
You will give what to me?
Don't try it.
Are you okay?
Why are you holding me?
Then I will hold you again.
You're holding me. My prince is holding me.
Look at this okra.
Just look at this idiot that touched me.
Okra soup.
Hey, go.
My prince, thank God you're here.
What's going on?
My prince, I only asked them to leave that you're busy and you cannot see anyone at the moment. Actually, you just wanted to rest. And they began to abuse me. They even said certain things that made me to almost turn pink.
You are a bunch of liars. My prince, she's lying. She just came and asked us to leave just like that.
And she also said that you are her husband.
My prince, she just said I'm a fool. Don't you think?
That's what you are.
I told you, this girl is not a wife material. Can you imagine what she did?
My prince, are you going to believe them
Listen
over me?
and listen very good. Can you listen to me? If there's one thing I dislike in this life, I hate someone taking laws into her hands. I did not give such instructions. They are my visitors. I'm aware of their invitations. You have no right to slap her. Why would you do such a thing? Did I tell you that?
I actually did not slap her.
Shut
I was only
up, don't
concerned.
talk.
Why are you being so forward for crying out loud? Why?
My prince,
Hey, stop. And you have to talk to your visitors.
I'm sorry.
They have to respect that here is a royal home, not to come here and shout.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, my brother. I'm so sorry. I'm going to handle it, I promise. Please. I'm sorry.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm sorry.
It's not what happened. Like, for real? I just stepped out to get something for you and all those things happened. But she goes please. But she goes please. Just know that I am not happy with you girls. I'm not. I am not happy. Please, you can explain. I'll be right back.
Dimma, my queen, who are those female guests that had the audacity to enter this kingdom, demanding they want to see my son, when they knew too well that you are betrothed to him?
Honestly, my queen, I don't know them. But I learned they are Princess Adugo's friends.
Adugo?
She should be in the best position to explain.
In that case, Dad! Dad!
That is the problem. Complete nonsense. Where is she now?
I sent for her. Father, I'm here. You called me, Dad.
Adugo.
Daddy?
How dare you try to bring confusion into this palace? How dare you?
Confusion. Daddy, I don't understand. What have I done?
What don't you understand? What don't you understand? You don't know what you did?
No.
Really?
What was your motive of bringing in your girlfriends when you knew too well that Dema is with Prince? Or do you want to spoil the bond that we are building, that we have been building for a very long time? Eh?
Mom.
Answer.
Dad.
What?
Mama, I'm surprised at your question. Yes.
Really?
Moreover, my brother is an adult and he knows what he wants. Yes, Daddy. Perhaps my friends are more classy than that thing they brought here. Yes, Daddy.
How dare you? How dare you use such language in my presence? Listen to me. I do not want to see those your so-called friends around this palace, around my house, anywhere around this vicinity anymore from this moment. Is that clear? Do you hear me?
Moreover, Dema and the prince, we have accepted both of them to be getting married. And nothing one can do about it. Not even you. What's your problem?
That is our final position. That is our decision. And nothing can change it. Do not try to distract our son. Do not try to distract him with your so-called classy whatever. My son is going to get married to a woman, a wife, not to some classy Facebook, social media nonsense girl. No. Please, keep your classy girls to yourself.
Exactly.
Do you understand, Adugo?
Yes, Daddy.
Do you understand?
Yes, Daddy.
Now leave my presence. And let this be the last time I go to talk about this topic. Inukwa, osuna classy.
See what I mean?
Just on now.
Greetings, my prince. My prince, I was informed to let you know that lunch...
My friend, get the hell out of here. Informed to let me know what?
The lunch is ready.
Are you mad? Come on, get the hell out of here also.
Sorry.
Stupid set of people. Annoying bunch of fools. Did I ask you for lunch?
Greetings, my prince. You sent for me.
I sent for you to do what? I sent for you to do what? Did I call your name? Are you mad? So someone cannot have peace of mind in this house? Okay. Let me just see anyone here again. So someone cannot have peace of mind in this house? Okay, I know what to do.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Why are you following me? Okay, why are you following me? Listen to you for what? What haven't you told me before? What is going to be different now from all you've been saying to me?
Ebube, I love and care about you. Ebube, what I need from you is for you to just give me the opportunity to prove myself. Eh? Please,
Now,
do not say, please, do not say no.
Now, listen to me. There is nothing new that you've added, okay? All you've said now are the things you have said to me 1,000,000 times over. But I do not know what else you want me to say to you. How else do I explain to you that I do not want this love that you're preaching? I am not interested.
Ebube!
Oh!
Ebube, okay, let me ask you something, Ebube. Is there any way that I've wronged you unknowingly? Please tell me, and I will apologize. Please.
I am going to take my time to explain this to you one last time. And the reason I'm doing this is so you will understand. It is not about you. In other words, you haven't done anything wrong whatsoever to me. Okay? 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 Look, I am alone in this world. I do not have anyone to speak for me. I do not have anyone to fight for me. For that reason, I have decided to be careful. Because I don't know whether or not my action might put me in trouble. And the last thing I want is to be in any form of trouble with my household. I know what I'm going through. I know what I'm personally going through. Okay?
Ebube, I'm here for you. Okay, Ebube, how long will you continue to live in this? How long?
As long as it takes my God to change my story. As long as it takes God to flip open a new page in my destiny. As long as it takes my God to open a new chapter in my future. That is how long I'm going to remain like this. I do hope you understand. And I do not want you following me around anymore, because you might just put me in trouble by following me around. Please, do not follow me around again, no. Do not follow me around again, no. I have finished talking, no.
Ebube. 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 I will not leave this girl. Ebube.
Our level don't go up. Our level, we have leveled up. Hey, Mama, I know we have leveled up. I know we are always on top.
Yes!
But I need to understand what is happening. What's the excitement all about? I am just coming from the palace. Did you not see the word? The queen of this land demands your presence in the palace.
Asi.
Asegene,
Mama,
wait.
Mama, seems I have ear problem.
You don't have any ear problem. It's just good news.
Mama, say it again.
Good news. I say it's again. The queen of this land demands your presence in the palace.
Oh, wait, Mama. What you're saying in essence is that the queen wants me to marry her son.
The queen of this land wants his son Jamike to marry you.